situación es terrible. Necesito huir, menudo plan. Sálvame, ven nadando a mí. Sálvame, soy un náufrago. Oh, sálvame, oh, sálvame.
Good night to everybody. Today, as you know, is All Fools Day and we have two very special guests with us, Anna Scott and William Thacker. Hi. Hi, how are you?
Fine. We are so pleased to be here.
Yes. Oh, Anna, your hair is blonde now. Why have you dyed it?
I wanted to change my style and I was so tired of my long hair.
And I prefer blonde girls.
Oh, you have changed your color hair too.
Yes, I changed it last week.
So nice.
So, how was the trip? Well, we had some turbulence, but now we are here. This is important. Yes, that's fine. So, let's start with the interview. You're still together, don't you? Yes, we are so in love.
And I'm pregnant, as you can see.
On how many months?
Almost 8.
And do you know if it's going to be a boy or a girl?
Yes, a boy.
And have you decided his name?
Yes. Kevin.
John. Wait. Kevin or John?
Kevin.
John.
Kevin. John. We are going to discuss it at home.
Okay.
Okay?
William, let's talk about your life. Had you ever imagined that someday you will be married with a film star like Anna Scott?
No, really don't. But when she kissed me for the first time, I think that we can have something in the future together.
Anna, when did you kiss him?
Let me think. I think that it was when he split me some orange juice to my t-shirt. Perfect, but I can't tell more because my producers will kill me.
Now, let's talk about the interesting subject. Anna, it's true that you have been unfaithful to William with Jeff, your ex-boyfriend?
Oh,
What?
it's true. I'm sorry.
No, I can't believe that. You do that, but why?
I didn't want.
And you do that. Who? Jeff?
Yes, my boyfriend.
No.
I love you.
No, you don't love me, I love you, but you're very rude.
I don't know if Kevin or John is your son.
He's not my son.
I don't know.
Okay, Jeff, come here. If you have two eggs, if not, you're in trouble. Motherfucker!
What on earth is that?
It's Red Bull, the energy drink.
No, take it down immediately. On my ship we only have champagne.
Yes, but Red Bull gives you wings.
Wings? Why on earth would you need wings on a ship? Stupidest thing I ever heard.
No,
Come here, please.
Come sit down. Come on.
Come on.
Let's talk. No, don't touch me.
Take it and repeat.
Please, don't touch me. William, please. Keep calm, because this was a joke.
It's a joke.
Happy Fool's Day, William!
Oh, you're very bad. No. Sorry, Jeff. He's my son.
Of course.
Oh, you love me. I love you. You love me.
Yes, there's love here. And now, the last question. It's a very important question. Have you read the Ben Stevens book?
Yes. No, because I don't have much time. So I'm making another film.
Yeah, me too. Not yet, but I have to read it. So that was all for today. We don't have much time. Thank you for watching Save Me. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Sálvame, oh, sálvame.
Good night to everybody. Today as
Tom, tú, Tom.
We're gonna have a baby, and I would like to be a Ay,
3.
espera que no sé qué me... Good. Ah, vale. Ah, so... espera que...
Of me. Jeff. Yes.
Ya.
Let me think. Yo dije, torna.
We're gonna have a baby. A ver...
William, have your bookshop stage.
Yes. Oye, abuelo, niña.
Ya.
Ay, ay, ya está riendo.
That. New.
¿Va?
Ah, vale, me suena guata. Digas ya.
Fine.
We're so pleased.
Have you read the Ben Stebbins book?